Hi, and welcome again to the Forex training class. Hope you are warming up to enter the market yourself and profit big time. Previously we talked about the Forex broker. We will be considering trading times and trading sessions in this video. If today is your first time in our channel, tap on the subscribe button below this video to follow what we do here. And this is to inform you that I will be organizing a free mini importation training for you on this channel, immediately after our Forex training and practical series. Subscribe to the channel to be updated. Alright. Let's continue, trading times and trading sessions. Please pay rapt attention, we are getting into the real deal now. If you don't understand trading times and sessions, with every other thing we will be treating now, you absolutely got nothing. It's a very important part of Forex. With this you will be able to navigate the market well, by knowing best times to trade. The trading times and trading sessions in Forex include the following: Sydney session, Tokyo session, London session, Frankfurt session, and New York session. The sessions' names are derived from the major cities in which most of the transactions are done. Sydney session represents Australia and other countries around the time zone. Tokyo session, referred to as Asian session, represents Japan and some of the Asian countries. London session represents the United Kingdom and the countries within it. Frankfurt session, which is in Germany, represents Europe. New York session represents America. Forex is actually a 24 hours market. It is most times regarded as the market that never sleeps because it's open for 24 hours of the day except on weekends. Though we have synthetic indices and cryptos which trades even on weekends, but currency pairs, stocks etc. begin Sunday night and stops on Fridays. So no matter where you are around the world, no matter your time zone, you can actually trade this large highly liquid market. Each of these sessions have their opening and closing times. Sydney session opens by 9 p.m. GMT, Tokyo session opens by 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. GMT, London session opens by 7 a.m. GMT, Frankfurt session opens by 8 a.m. GMT and closes by 4 p.m. New York session opens by 1:30 p.m. to 1:00 p.m. GMT. This times changes according to daylight savings. You will need this times for your trading, so take note of the times. These times are listed in the Greenwich Meridian time, so you should do the appropriate calculation depending on your country's time zone, so as to know which session you are currently on. All sessions lasts for 9 hours. So having known their opening times, to get their appropriate closing times, just add 9 hours to the opening time to get when the closing time. Now there's an important thing to note here. This is what many Forex traders don't actually understand because nobody taught them. It is always good to trade the market when two markets are open at the same time. For example, when two of the sessions are open. Please take note of this important point. This is because volatility is always more when two or more sessions are open. And in Forex market, more volatility means more money. As a Forex trader, you wouldn't want to trade the quiet market, because there won't be much fluctuations, and it's those movements that make money for us. For example, by 12 a.m. GMT, Sydney session and Tokyo session would be open together and it would have more volatility and an advantage to you than someone that is trading at 9 p.m. GMT, because the market would be quiet. But note this, night period is not advisable to trade. I mean the Asian session, which falls at night mostly in African countries. The market dealers are much more in the market to trap and accumulate people's trades by this time. What most traders don't know, another example, is by 8 a.m. GMT, London session and Frankfurt session would be open. In fact, even Tokyo would be with them briefly, so you would notice that volatility would increase during such times. So as a Forex trader, always time your trading to fall in periods where two or more markets are open at the same time. By doing that, you would always have an edge in the market. It is preferable to time London and Frankfurt sessions. Every good and experienced trader looks forward to 8 a.m. in the morning. If they were to go somewhere, they make it after they have taken advantage of 8 a.m. Any driving would pack to enter the market. Most of the times volatility is experienced in the market at this time. Most times the market maintains movement along a particular direction it is moving toward for about 10 to 15 minutes. The period that breaks out of the Asian session into the London session is always the best start for the day. As a good trader, you can determine the trend of the day from the breakout of the accumulated or ranging session. to the stop hunt high, or stop hunt low. As we go further you will understand better. I love to entertain your questions if there is any, but if you are getting something from this training, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe below this video. If this is your first time where you are yet to, don't miss out from what we do here. You are getting this absolutely free. Don't fail to share with others. We will continue from here in the next video. See you in the next training video. God bless you.